So hello everyone, in this video we will see that how to remove these things, uh, your ChatGPT generated codes to a normal text, like the text that is generated by AI is in markdown format by default, like a single hashtag shows h1 tag means a bigger heading, double hashtag shows lower, and uh, so on. So stars shows list item, unordered list, ordered list, something like this. So if you copy the things from here like this, you will see this stars and something. It's for making things bolder. And if you want to copy like this, you lose the formatting. Like it must have spaces here, but there's a small fix. I created a tool. You can go here or from here. This AI text converter tool, markdown to text, or you can directly search it like 30 tools on Google or Bing and search here markdown to text. I think the search is not working right now. You can just go to this link and there's the thing here. Fix it here and see this is properly organized thing. Every spacing is maintained, so you can also post it on LinkedIn, or if you want to send this on WhatsApp, then you can also send this text. This will not look crappy like the AI generated text. So this was a quick video and a quick hack that I found that many people might be suffering from. So you can clean ChatGPT Markdown online free. You can also do research on what is Markdown if you don't know. It's a language written for optimized writing, like we use in GitHub README and document files. So this was the video. If you find helpful, you can also bookmark the website 32, so you don't have to go every time. Just type Markdown and it will. This website is also good Markdown to text. So this and test it here. Done. Thanks for watching the video. You can see this article. Every link will be in description.